I'm your neighborhood news reporter, Drew Bishop in Rockport. Behind me is where a 5 to 10 acre fire broke out earlier Monday afternoon. Here's what we know as of Monday evening. Around noon on Monday, crews responded to a call between Mundine Road and 188 near the Aransas Memorial Cemetery. Jillian Cox with the Rockport Volunteer Fire Department tells me there were 30 to 40-foot flames on arrival. Crews evacuated neighbors to the west and to the north of the blaze, but neighbors were allowed to return to their homes a few hours later. I spoke with a Gregory firefighter off camera who tells me the response, teamwork, and communication from all the crews involved was excellent. As of Monday night, there are no reported injuries, 7 nearby buildings were preserved, and the only damage was to a few fire trucks. They suffered flat tires and a couple broken brake lines. Cox says while the cause is unknown at this time, weather plays a big role in how these fires get started.
We have high winds, extremely low humidity, and then heavy brush conditions. And those 3 factors make this difficult to fight and rapid spread.
As of 6:30 on Monday night, the fire has been 95% contained. In Rockport, I'm your neighborhood news reporter, Drew Bishop, Chris 6 News.